Hello everyone and welcome back to Creative Vision. Today, we are taking a detailed look at one of the most iconic motorcycles in the Royal Enfield family, the all-new Royal Enfield Bullet 650. The Bullet name has a legendary history, and now Royal Enfield has brought that classic Bullet character together with its proven 650 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine. The result is a motorcycle that combines old-school styling, modern technology, and strong twin-cylinder performance. So let's take a closer look at the new Royal Enfield Bullet 650. Design. Let's start with the design. The first thing that catches your attention is the unmistakable Bullet styling. The Bullet 650 retains the classic silhouette that Royal Enfield fans know and love. It features the iconic casket-style headlamp, twin tiger eye lamps, sculpted fuel tank, hand-painted gold pinstripes, and classic Royal Enfield badging. The motorcycle also gets a traditional single step-up bench-style seat, giving it a distinctive old-school appearance while providing a comfortable riding position. At the rear, the twin pea-shooter style exhausts add to the classic character and give the motorcycle a distinctive road presence. This is a motorcycle that looks unmistakably like a Bullet, but with a much bigger heart. Engine. Now let's talk about the biggest highlight of the Bullet 650, the engine. The motorcycle is powered by a 647.95 cubic centimeter parallel twin 4-stroke SOHC engine. It produces a maximum power of 34.6 kilowatts at 7250 RPM, which is approximately 47 horsepower. Maximum torque is 52.3 Newton meters at 5650 RPM. The engine is paired with a 6 SPED gearbox and a wet multiplate clutch. Fuel injection provides precise fuel delivery, while the twin-cylinder configuration is designed to deliver smooth and responsive performance. Performance. So what does that mean on the road? The Bullet 650 is designed to deliver strong acceleration and relaxed cruising performance. The engine provides gearbox and clutch. The 6-speed constant mesh gearbox gives the rider a wide range of gears for different riding conditions. The motorcycle also uses a wet multiplate clutch with a light slipper clutch setup, designed to make gear changes smoother and easier. This makes the Bullet 650 suitable not only for relaxed cruising, but also for everyday city riding. Suspension. Moving to the suspension setup. The Bullet 650 uses 43mm telescopic front forks with 120mm of front wheel travel. At the rear, it gets a twin shock suspension system with 90mm of wheel travel. This setup is designed to provide a comfortable ride while maintaining stability and control. The steel tubular spine frame also contributes to the motorcycle's planted and confident character. Wheels and tires. The Bullet 650 comes with a 1.9 INCH front wheel and a 1.8 INCH rear wheel. The front tire size is 100/90 R19, while the rear uses a 140/70 R18 tire. The larger front wheel gives the motorcycle a classic roadster appearance and contributes to its stable riding character. Braking and ABS. For braking, the Bullet 650 gets a 320mm front disc with a twin piston floating caliper. At the rear, there is a 300mm disc brake, also using a twin piston floating caliper. The motorcycle comes equipped with dual-channel ABS for improved braking control and safety. Lighting and technology. Although the Bullet 650 has a classic appearance, it incorporates modern technology. The iconic casket headlamp and twin tiger eye lamps now use LED lighting. The motorcycle also features an updated instrument cluster with information such as fuel level, gear position, and service reminders. For added convenience, Royal Enfield has included a USB Type-C charging port. The controls also combine retro styling with modern functionality, including adjustable brake and clutch levers. Seat and riding position. Comfort is another important part of the Bullet experience. The Bullet 650 gets a generous bench style, single step-up seat and raised handlebars. The seat height is approximately 800mm, providing a relaxed and upright riding position. This setup makes the motorcycle particularly attractive for long-distance cruising and relaxed weekend rides. Fuel tank. The Bullet 650 comes with a 14.8-liter fuel tank. That gives riders a practical fuel capacity for every riding as well as longer highway journeys. The actual range will depend on riding style, traffic conditions, speed, and other factors. Dimensions and weight. The Bullet 650 has a 1480mm wheelbase and 154mm ground clearance. Its listed dimensions are approximately 2260mm long, 830mm wide and 1155mm high. The curb weight with 90% fuel and oil is listed at around 243 kilograms. So this is a substantial motorcycle with a strong physical presence on the road. Colors. The Bullet 650 is offered in two distinctive colors, Cannon Black and Battleship Blue. Both color options complement the classic Bullet design and hand-painted detailing. WHYIS, the Bullet 650 Special. So what makes the Bullet 650 different? It is a combination of heritage and performance. You get the classic Bullet appearance, the iconic tank, the traditional bench-style seat, the twin pea-shooter exhausts, The unmistakable Royal Enfield character, but underneath that classic design is a modern 650 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine. That is what makes the Bullet 650 so interesting. It doesn't try to completely change what the Bullet is. Instead, it takes the familiar Bullet formula and gives it significantly more performance. Final verdict. So, after looking at the design, engine, performance, suspension, braking, technology and comfort, the new Royal Enfield Bullet 650 is a very interesting addition to the 650 cubic centimeter Royal Enfield family. It is designed for riders who want classic motorcycle styling with modern performance. If you love the traditional Bullet design but want the extra power and refinement of a twin-cylinder engine, the Bullet 650 could be a very attractive choice. As Royal Enfield says, old school forever. And the Bullet 650 certainly carries that spirit forward. So, what do you think about the new Royal Enfield Bullet 650? Do you prefer the classic Bullet design or would you choose another Royal Enfield 650? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Creative Vision for more new motorcycle reviews, automobile videos, detailed bike specifications and exciting automotive content. Thank you for watching. This is Creative Vision. Ride safe, ride with pride, and keep exploring.